Nancy, and today I have a huge surprise for everyone. I'm at Marie Lauzier place in Oshawa, and to my surprise, I mean, she was growing wheatgrass, peas, and also some flower sprouts. So the reason why we're doing this video is I just wanted to show you how simple it is to grow your sprouts. You don't need a lot of space. So Marie is actually taking the detox with the group.
That's right.
That's right. So Marie, how, like, this is, we're actually in your living room right now.
It's my living room, yes.
And then we have the bay window, so you rely on the natural light for your sprouts.
Absolutely.
Okay, so right now we have the wheatgrass, and so Marie, how would you, so you juice your wheatgrass like once or twice, so every day? Or?
Every day, once a day, but sometimes I'm not able to do as much as you would need, at least 2-3 trays. But this week, because I was doing the detox, we only did 1 tray, and so we're going to start juicing. Instead of using the green, I will use 1 or 2 shots of this per day, which I'm sharing with Louis because he's doing it with me. And so that won't last very long. I'll have to start again.
You'll have to start another batch.
But the greens will be in my salads.
Okay.
And so.
But see how simple. Again, if this was optional to do your greens or your wheatgrass, but if you're not ready to do the wheatgrass, then you start with the Vital Green or any good quality green powder. But like Marie was mentioning, I mean, she's been doing this for quite some time. And so she was ready to kind of venture into doing those greens. Okay, so again, I didn't know. I mean, that was a surprise for me. I didn't know we had to stop at the house, and here we have the sprouts on the table in the living room. So everything is doable. So again, thank you, Marie.
You're welcome.
So what was your experience with the detox?
Actually, the plan A was very simple for us because of the way we eat.
Okay.
But I felt a lot more energy.
Okay.
And I didn't feel that hungry.
Okay.
Felt good. I enjoyed doing your recipes. I got prepared the night before because I work full-time during the day. Yeah. But it was great.
Excellent.
And I'm anxious to try the bee plan.
Good. And you're definitely ready for the bee plan.
Yes.
So thank you, Marie, for doing this video.
Oh,
so
you're welcome.
Have fun. Bye
Thank
for now.
you.